Hello everyone, my name is Artificial Mikhail, and here at that channel I am talking about an artificial intelligence, so-called AI. And I am, as a researcher, look at AI not only as a developer but also as manager, economist and mathematician. In our last video we were talking about speech recognition. So, as I promised last time, now we'll speak about speech synthesis. Well, let's consider the definition. Speech synthesis is a system that converts or transforms the human language into the speech. It also called text-to-speech systems. You can deal with such systems in your online dictionaries, for example Google or Yandex, voice assistants, Siri, Amazon, Alice, and some AI decisions for banks and other organizations where does a lot of phone calls come per day. I will show you the small piece of code in Python language that illustrates this process. Okay. Let's start our work in such web service as Google Colaboratory. If you have Gmail, you can easily use it. Well, let's start with import our necessary libraries. After that, let's define the text. For example, it will be speech synthesis is working. For pronunciation of the system, our text speech synthesis is working. Okay, let's define our output. Output equals TS. Text equals our text, and output dot save. Here we write the name of the mp3 file, results 3. Yes. Well, let's check it. Okay. Well, now our program has generated the mp3 file called results. And let's hear it.
Speech synthesis is working.
Okay, our piece of code is working. In our next video, I would like to tell you the definition of machine learning at last. Well, if this video was useful for you, subscribe and dare to know. See you soon. And yes, I did the snap before Thanos.